How's it going, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your iPhone from standard time to military time. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says 9:25. It's 9:25 p.m. right now where I am, so that's standard time. And we can also check the clock here. Okay, as you can see, what tells us if we have standard time is the AM and PM times, right? If we click my alarms right here, you can see that we have the PMs and we have the AM times. And if I wanted to add another alarm, if I click here, as you can see, we have the option right here to select the hour, the minutes, and AM or PM. I'm gonna hit cancel right now. This is just to show you. Okay, so I'm gonna swipe up from the bottom of my screen to return to my home screen, like so. And I'm going to go to settings. My icon is right here, but if you're having trouble finding yours, just swipe down from the middle of your screen, like so. Type in settings. Right there, the icon appears. Just click that. And we're going to scroll down, hit right here where it says general. Okay, we're going to scroll down and we're going to hit right here where it says date and time. Okay, so the first option says 24-hour time. That's the same as saying military time. Okay, we're going to hit that. And as you can see right here, it changed from 9:27 to 21:27. That's an indicator that we have switched to military time. Now, I'm gonna go to my home screen again, swiping up from the bottom of my screen, and I'm going to hit clock right here. Okay, I just wanted to show you the alarms. So what we can see right here is that the AM and PM indicators have disappeared because it only shows, for example, this one right here says 10:30. It's the same as 10:30 a.m. Now let's scroll down to those that were PMs. So for example, this one right here, it says 13, right? That's the same as saying 1 p.m. If we scroll down even further, as you can see, all of our times, all of our alarms are now in military time. This, for example, that 20 hour is same as saying 8 p.m., right? And if we click the world clock right here, you can see that those times have also changed to military time. Okay, so what happens if we want to go back to standard time? Okay, we're going to head on back to our settings, and right here, just click again. And as you can see, if we go back to our clock, it changes back to PM. The same goes for our alarms right here. And this is going to also show up like so. If you select standard or military time, it's going to show up like so on any other app that has a time reference. So that's basically it, guys. I hope that was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next videos. Cheers.